Micron reported earnings today. So Micron Technologies is a semiconductor company, and it reported earnings today. So it did have positive earnings. We can review that in TradingView by clicking on the E here for earnings. And it shows that they beat on earnings by 6% and they beat on revenue by 1.35%. If we want to go deeper into the financials, we can click on this button here. It takes us to this financials page. And on this page, we can see quite a few things. Again, we can see the market cap. We can see when it was founded. We can see who the CEO is. If we were doing research into the CEO, that's one way to find out who the CEO is. And then you have, you can go to the website. Other than that, we have some ownership information here, how the shares are held. And then we have some capital structure here, as well as valuation information. You have growth and profitability information. You have revenue breakdown. And then here were the estimates as well for the year annually. You can switch this to quarterly and get a look at the quarterly details as well. It contains in the dividends, and then it goes over financial health as annually, and then you can look at that on a quarterly basis as well. So TradingView has quite a few tools here and indicators and ways of breaking down the data and the information. You have other tabs here as well that if you want to go deeper into the financials as well. So TradingView is a really good tool to bring everything into one space. All right. So let's just close this out and take a look at the chart, actually. So looking at the chart, what we have is after hours based on the earnings beat. We do have a gap up that's being created from the post-market trading that has gone on so far, which took the price up to about 109 from 95, 96 up to 109. If that sustains in the pre-market tomorrow, we would expect to see a gap up at the open tomorrow. But otherwise, that is positive, at least momentum. That gets the price above the 100-day moving average, which is here, and the 200-day moving average. And it was already sort of curving up above the 25-day moving average. So that really puts it into a positive light if it can sustain these prices up here, above 109. And if it continues on, it could potentially get back to the all-time high. And let's just take a look at how far that would be away percentage-wise. So all-time high, looking at, somewhere around 43% away from the all-time highs as well. So that's pretty much the outlook based on the earnings that have been reported by Micron.